What's up, Trumpet fam? I hope you're all doing great. Look, I'm actually super excited about this, and I'm so stoked. So a lot of people ask me like, how does the vertical alignment system do it? Do I have to rebuild my trumpet playing from the bottom? How long does it take to improve on my trumpet playing? Well, I want you to meet Doug. Doug joined my program 8 days ago. He had one goal over the next year, and that was to play more efficiently in the upper register and finally be able to play a double G. And I went, okay, well, I think it's going to come really fast. And he was like, I think it's going to take a year. And I go, well, there's no rush, but I reckon you'll get it in a third of that time. And he actually set the record, and he got it literally today. He posted a video like this, nailing a high G easily and efficiently, even with his legs crossed. So that is the vertical alignment system. It's optimizing your embouchure for you. If you're interested in what sets Doug embouchure apart from everyone else and how to unlock those things literally within 8 days, what you need to do is check out that masterclass. The link's right there in the bio or in the description of this video. And basically check that out before I'm full and I take it down. So hope you enjoy that.